Workspace. So Workspace is our canvas. It's connected whiteboard experience. It's available. So if you sell the interactive screen to your end customers, they will enjoy for having seamless integrated audio video conferencing, multi-video conferencing provider support, wireless presentation, wired, and a unique whiteboard platform available across different video conferencing. And the value is to transmit that the on-prem option or private cloud for customers, it's a way to keep protected and control on the data that you are dragging inside the whiteboard during your brainstorming or your lessons or your training. And these data are under the control and under the backup of the IT of the corporate. So imagine that I press new workspace and I want to start to use the whiteboard. So here now we are using a passive screen, so it's difficult to use mouse. And if you have active screen supporting also pen, you have also a way to draw with pen, cancel with hand, and move the object. And here you have a selector, so it's very easy, intuitive. We have the multiple pages, so you can have page one, and then you can have page two. So during the meeting, you can create multiple pages. You can choose different background, color, line, square, or templating. So imagine that you want to talk about this process, just drag and drop, and the canvas is ready. Then we have advanced functionality. You can send also an example, this page as image by mail, pressing here, you can delete page, you can duplicate this page, or you can start by adding an example post-it. So it's a very, very powerful application. Now switch because I don't have a touchscreen in manual mode. So, and then you can use also post-it. So it's very, very easy to understand for end users. And with Plus, you have multiple options here. You can drag also files from your file system. I strongly suggest to copy in the My Documents of these users for demonstration a folder that you find in our admin, in partner portal. So under the asset, you have sample for demo. Hitting download, so our big files, we have to wait is 700 megabyte more or less, because in this configuration I'm keeping visible in the meeting room the My Documents folder, but you can go in the settings and advanced under the workspace setting, you can select to hide C drive, My Documents, and having more control on the security of the file system of the meeting room device. Okay, so now the file is ready. I can open and I extract all of this, and I can save in OneDrive or in this file system in Documents. Okay. Now entering into the workspace in offline, so I'm not connected to my workspace from phone. And My Documents, I have the files. So imagine that I want to show you the 3D files or the video clips, so I can just copy file in the folder and drag and drop like this. So now we have the also the video file. So this is MPEG-4. So simple files are easy. You can create also your files and copy for demo purpose. You can use the web search in the meantime. It's connected to the Bing. An example, I want to search information about Ferrari 458, my preferred car. Or you can use voice dictation. So now tapping on more of this and drag and drop into the whiteboard, you are able to rotate and to interact with the images from big search or video files without the advertising. An example, these video files, and you see the performance of the GPU. So you can move the object, and each object tapping have a context menu. So you can, example, browse, put it full screen. If it's not arranged, you can rearrange. So tapping browse. Now I can use the control inside. Okay. In the meantime, okay, tap stop. We can also drag, and this is our patent, a web browser, Chromium base, directly that we search for this, and we can have an example, the official page, Ferrari, for Italia. Okay, right. And double tap on the object to put in full screen, and then you can use keyboard and mouse or touch, and you can annotate over the object. So it's very, very powerful canvas. And as soon as you are ready, you can share this canvas, also the impromptu canvas, to remote people. They can use the web app, so no need to install any app. Just pressing this button, share workspace, or connecting to workspace with ID and PIN that someone others in other meeting room have created. So tapping share workspace, now we are uploading to the cloud or to the on-prem server of the customer, and remote people can join as a guest to this whiteboard. Example, now I will use my phone, but I can use also browser. Scanning this QR code or copy link here is copied to the clipboard, and then you can paste in the chat of Teams, Zoom, WebEx, or whatever. So scanning QR code from the app, no need to be on the same network. I'm connected on the same page. And now you see that there are two participants, so the room and my phone connected from remote. Is not writing, there is no W here. So pressing the contact and pressing here, now I'm able not only to see, but also to move from my device, from my phone, and double tapping, putting the object in full screen, and contributing, an example, adding more content to the whiteboard. Example, now we create a new page from the phone, and I have plus, and I can scan an object in mixed reality. So I'm now using the camera for capturing an object, and pressing confirm, you will see the object is also in the whiteboard. So it's just captured with the augmented reality camera. At the same way, we have also a way to capture documents. For example, I have an important documents on the paper I want to capture. Now use this scan document feature. And now we have the paper inside the canvas. So it's a way to immediately obtain the paper in digital way. And then I can annotate. So everything now is made from my phone, but you can use the web browser app, and it's very, very powerful collaboration tool that support also 3D objects.